Harding reporting live from 20 Todd Pond Road in Lincoln, MA. As you can see, we have 26 inches of heavy snowfall, and it's still not showing signs of stopping. We have almost set a record. We've almost broken the record. 27.5 inches in Boston, set in 2003.
No.
That's right. She's right.
Oh, okay.
Hi. This is Quinn Harden.
It's a lot of snow, and it's above my stuffed animal birdie. Bye. Love you.
Spencer Harden is contributing.
Hold on, Park. 26 inches, people. It's coming down. There's Spencer's tongue.
This
Park.
is Harden here to tell us about.
What else do you want to tell us, Park?
Hi, I'm a panda and a little elephant, and they're very cute.
Okay.
Today we plan to shovel, play outside, and continue hoping to get plowed.
Daddy.
Thank you.
Daddy.
And it is taller than our dog Indy. Yeah.
All right, folks. Blizzard of 13.